Hello there and welcome sa isa na namang edisyon ng Node Manger. In this video, tuturuan kita kung paano mag-install ng Oracle WebLogic in silent mode. So, if you want, we can start now. So that's how you install Oracle WebLogic in silent mode. Okay? Except hindi yun yung tamang way. Okay? It's just I'm just kidding. Okay? That's a joke. Um, I'm currently working on a VM na nagra-run sa US. And kung hindi ko alam kung makapansin mo kasi nag-fast forward ako dun sa installation. Pero ang tagal kong nag-install. It's like 10 minutes waiting for the next button to be clicked. Okay, so parang siguro sobrang tagal, sobrang latency, sobrang laki ng latency na I have to wait and click the button and stuff. So when we're installing software in silent mode, hindi na natin kailangan daanan yung mga process na yon. Everything else will happen uh, sa background. Okay? Basically, nakikita na lang natin yung output or yung progress sa foreground. Pero everything is happening in the background and all you have to do is wait and it wait for it to finish basically. So in this case, during the previous installation, nag-generate ako ng response file. Okay? So, that file is gagamitin natin sa ating silent mode installation in this second phase of the video. Okay, so bakit ba tayo bakit ba merong silent mode of installation sa mga Oracle products? Um, Actually, sa akin, ang nakikita kong reason why is una, may mga certain servers na hindi naka-enable yung X11 or yung basically yung desktop na papakita sa yung window. Okay, so I'm currently running from an SSH terminal. So hindi ako naka-login sa desktop ng sa desktop environment ng Linux. I'm just connecting via SSH. And kung gusto kong magpalabas ng window, kailangan yung aking SSH client is meron naka-install na Xming or Xwindows so that I would be able to display yung mga certain wizards sa aking session. Pero may mga ibang environments, may mga ibang Linux environments na hindi naka-enable yon and wala ka talagang magagawa other than, mag-run ka ng installation on silent mode. Okay? Another thing na another reason bakit merong silent mode of installation is for automation purposes. Like, if kung plano mo mag-install ng WebLogic on multiple Linux environments, sobrang tagal, sobrang siguro aabutin ka ng siyam-siyam kasi isa-isa kailangan mo i-click yung certain buttons and make sure na tama yung path. And since if you're doing it in multiple VMs, may possibility na may ma-miss out ka or may ma-misspell ka. So I've encountered that in the past wherein yung installation path ng WebLogic on certain servers hindi pare-pareho kasi or mayroong mga typo, ganun. Kasi nga, hindi sila automated. Kumbaga, basically sa silent mode, aside sa fact na automated siya, you're making the installation, uniform across all servers if you're installing it on multiple servers and you're using what we call the response file. Okay, so since nandun na tayo sa response file, ano yung response file? So yung response file is basically a file kung saan nakalagay yung mga parameters, yung mga installation parameters na ginagamit mo sa sa installation. Okay? So, hindi ko alam kung napansin mo, pero kanina, while I'm doing the installation, in quote-unquote silent mode, um, nag-generate ako ng response file and nilagay ko yun sa directory na ito. So, kung titignan natin, okay, ang meron ngayon ako ditong response file na ang pangalan ay fmw_install.rsp. So, walang problema kahit anong file name yan. Okay? Hindi kinakailangan ng .rsp kasi sa Linux, wala naman siyang pakialam sa file extension. So, you can name it as txt or you can have it as, walang file extension, walang problema. Hindi siya kagaya ni Windows. So, it's just a plain text file. So, kung titignan natin well, actually, so ganda, tingnan natin siya as this. So, kung titignan natin yung laman ng fmw_install.rsp, makikita mo yung laman ng ating response file. Ito yung laman, kung makikita mo dito, may mga parameters tayo, and then may comments, and then yung mga parameters may value. Okay? So, sa case natin, ang ginawa ni WebLogic installer is before niya in-install so basically, nung nag-save tayo ng response file, lahat nung in-enter natin na details or values during the installation, sinave niya into a file. So, the next time na itatakbo natin yung installer using this response file, ito na yung gagamitin niya. Basically, same na yung gagamitin niyang values. Kaya kung mapapansin mo, in-install ko uh, yung WebLogic in this directory. So every time I create or I install WebLogic using this response file, hindi ko na kailangang banggitin kung saan niya i-install yung product. So basically, dyan na siya isa-save. Or kung babaguhin ko yan, basically, babaguhin din niya yung installation path. Okay? So now I'm going to show you how to properly install WebLogic in silent mode. And this time, wala na tayong joke-joke. Papakita ko na sa iyo ng tunay kung paano siya i-install. But first, burahin muna natin yung laman ni okay, buburahin ko muna yung app directory. Okay? Okay, so now wala na dapat U01 app. Okay. Ngayon, mag-install na ulit tayo, okay? So naka-define na yung Java hook. Hindi na natin siya uliting i-declare. But make sure to declare the Java home and make sure na it's in the path variable. So if you want, you can just do which Java. And so basically, nandiyan na siya. And ganito lang ang syntax when installing Oracle WebLogic in silent mode. Okay? So first is make sure na yung files is nasa loob ng same directory. Actually, kahit naman magkaibang directory sa walang problema. Papakita ko sa iyo kung paano. So, ang gagawin ko lang dyan is java minus jar. And then, papasa ko yung jar file ng installer. And then, I'm gonna do silent. And then, I'm gonna enter response file. Now, in this case, papasa ko dapat yung path or yung file na gagamitin natin. Hindi ko na maalala kung gagana yung absolute or relative path in Linux for this file. So, ang kadalasan kong ginagawa is pinapasa ko na lang yung buong path ng file. So, kokopyahin ko yan and then fmw install. So, kapag tinakbo ko to, ang in-expect natin is magkakaroon na tayo ng marire-install yung Oracle WebLogic server doon sa sorry, ang ibig ko sabihin is may install yung Oracle WebLogic software doon sa ginamit natin kanina, which is U01 app Oracle middleware. Okay, so I'm gonna press enter and let's see what happens. So, ayun na guys. Without me doing anything, natapos yung installation. And kung mapapansin mo, uh, right now it's just saying na na-install ko na yung WebLogic. So if I go to, if I say clear muna natin, if I go to U01 app Oracle, may kita mo ngayon dyan, meron na akong middleware uli na directory. And sa loob ngayon ng middleware ko na directory, meron na ngayon akong installation ng WebLogic. And that's pretty much it. Um, Basically, ganun lang. Again, ang magiging syntax mo is java-jar, the installation jar file for the WebLogic, and then enter silent, and then a response file. Okay, so dapat ganitong order. Okay, hindi gagana yan kapag response file and then silent. Gagana yan kung response file, this, and then dash silent. So lagi magkatabi itong dalawang to. And, just that. I mean, after nan, enter mo lang and then it's going to work. Okay, just make sure na yung install mo ng WebLogic is hindi pa nag-exist. Otherwise, magkakaroon ka ng issue with the installation. And so yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like it, just like it, just press like, the buttons. If you didn't, dislike nyo rin. Pero sana naman wag. And if you have any questions, just let me know sa comments. And if you think you want to learn more about these kinds of topics, you can subscribe if you want. And thank you and have a good day. Have fun.